how to get the Rio de Janeiro filter on Instagram. So if you want to get the filter on your Instagram, then first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Instagram. And after opening your Instagram, you need to just simply go with your story, which will be in the top left, or you can also go with your profile and go with the top left, which has that plus icon. Now you can go with either reels, posts, stories, anything that you're comfortable with. I'll just simply go with story and select any story. Now after selecting something, if you want the filter, then you can just simply swipe left. And as you can see that this is a fade filter. And if you go again, this is Paris. And in this way, you just need to simply swipe until you find the filter, which is Rio de Janeiro. So swipe. And as you can see that you have the filter right here. So that's how you can get the Rio de Janeiro filter on your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.